code ako dito sis ng code cutesy. Grabe, ang hirap mamili, ang gaganda. Okay, code ako dito sis ng code cutesy. Code cutesy dark color. Code cutesy light color. Okay, code cutesy white color sis. Ang bust size pala sis, wait lang po before tayo bigay ng sisi, puff denim sis, wait lang ha. Ito sis medyo malaki, hanggang XL kaya to. Carry to up to XL. Will fit sis hanggang 42 bust size. Will fit up to 42 bust size. Naubos na yung budget ko. Hello sis Antwa. Okay, sis wag na mag-additional. Wala ka pa naman sis last natin. Wala na. Ay, got this one. Okay, I will check first, brother.
Ano meron? Kasi na yung dark. Yung silat mo kanina, ito na ba yun?
Sige, lagyan mo muna. Para ma-check mo kung sino yung mga nabigyan.
Okay, may?
Okay.
No more?
Oh, sock?
Ay, that's na.
Wait lang sis ha.
ราคาเขียนไว้ป่ะ
อันนี้ของตัวนี้ที่อยู่ให้บินใส่เมื่อวาน
สีอะไรอ่ะ
สีขาวสีเขียว
How much yung puff denim? Sis, yung puff denim natin, wait lang po, sold out na. Ano sila ngayon sis? Naghahanap sila ngayon ng puff denim. Sabihan ko kayo sis kung sino yung hindi aabot ha. Ay, thank you po. Naku mga sis, bagay din sa inyo to. Kailangan na talaga naka-makeup. Para bagay lahat. Okay, parang madadali ako sa shop na to, sis.
Ano yung light? Ayan yung light. Ito yung dark.
Oo. Okay, code is cute, sis. Wait lang ang price natin. Asan yung phone na itin?
Okay. Oh. Doon mo nailagay. Ah. Wait lang,
Sis, kailan invoice ng bag? Invoice natin ang bag, sis. Thank you, sisi. Sige, sis, wait lang po ha. Tatanong ko lang sis kung magkano to si Cutesy.